My name is James Njue Njiru, Chairman of CIS, and I do serve as the Vice Chairman of CIC Group. I'm also a Director of the Cooperative Bank of Kenya, and I also serve as a Director in Cooperative Alliance of Kenya, that's CAK. I am also a Director of Nawiri Sacco. I have been in the cooperative movement for a period spanning over 20 years, serving even at the lower level of the cooperative movement, that is the cooperative societies in the rural areas, and I have been there just supporting our institutions to grow our membership. My interest in the International Cooperative Alliance, this is the global organization which brings us together, and it has been there to make sure that the cooperative movement is recognized globally, and it has been very, very instrumental in empowering our communities, and therefore I find that this is a body which I should join so that we can put our hands together even as we take the cooperative movement, not only in Africa, but globally forward. I'm vying for at-large director in the board of ICA. I believe if I'm given this chance, I'll be able to bring a lot of my experience which I've gained over the years in terms of supporting the cooperative movement, not only at the African continent, but also at the global level. My three key areas which I will focus on is one, partnerships and collaborations I believe is the way to go. I will also be very keen on the issues of digital transformation and the issues of visibility and market access. I believe that I'm a good candidate for this position because of the wealth of experience which I have attained over the years as I served our communities, as I served the cooperative movement. Together, let us move the cooperative movement from the local level to the global economy.